Okay, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how to use Love Spouse app. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, just gotta go ahead and open this app. Once you open it up, just simply choose your preferences, and yeah, after that go ahead and press on login. So it's just going to tell you about the app itself, so just press done. And right over here you can use your email or sign in with Apple, or you can just sign up. So I'm just going to use sign up with Apple, and here we go. It's pretty easy that way. If you're on iPhone, just go ahead and do this. So I'm just gonna exactly show you how you can use this. Now right over here you can just simply give yourself a nickname and then your profile picture. So you can either choose from your camera or your album, and then your nickname, whatever you would like to give. And then after that you just gotta choose your birth month and year. So I'm just gonna give something random like this. And after that you can just choose your gender. It could be male, female, or other. So I'm just gonna choose male. And then if you want your information to be hidden, you can just do that, or you can just information will be displayed. And yeah, once you've done that, here you go, you've basically made your account. Now you gotta allow Bluetooth to be paired with this app, because you also get a device that you could connect to with this app. So here, as you can see, you can just add a device to scan identification. If you want to add the device, just simply press on this plus option and you can do that. Now after that you got pretty more options like AI companion, make friends, control park, activity center, and then many more. Also you can just go to the community section where you can talk to random people and you can collect coins as well. And then you got the message section. You can privately message someone right over here. Just go ahead and do that. And right over here in the end you have your profile and your earnings and everything. It will show right over here. So yeah, you're pretty good to go after that. And yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this actually helped you.